But before you come, you will compare maybe
All right. Okay. Thank you. Now it's my turn. Right? This
yes,
right?
yes. Let's start.
Then start. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
One, two, three.
Push harder, breathe deeper.
Okay. Ascending pyramid, minimum 3 sets. Descending pyramid, minimum 3 sets. Complete pyramid, minimum 5 sets. Okay. Then for the superset, okay, whether it's opposing muscle or same target muscle, again, minimum 3 sets. Then we're gonna go to your drop set. Again, minimum 3 sets. Then we're gonna go for the pre-exhaust and post-exhaust, same 3 sets. Then we're gonna go for the tricep, again, 3 sets. Then we're gonna go for the giant set, again, 3 sets. Matix 21S, again, minimum 3 sets. Then for the force repetition, negative, minimum 3 sets. Single set, again, minimum only one set.
Only
That's why
one.
it's single set. Okay, then we have the what is it? Multiple set. Multiple set. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up to you. That's why it's multiple set. Then we have the circuit. For the circuit again, minimum 3 sets. Okay? If you're asking only for the sets, huh? Okay.
Yes, Coach.
Now let's talk about exercise. Okay. Ascending pyramid, of course, only one exercise. Descending pyramid, complete pyramid, okay, again, only one exercise. Then we're gonna go for the superset. Whether it's opposing muscle or same target muscle, again, this is 2 exercises. Okay. Then for the drop set, of course, only one exercise. Then for the pre and post exhaust, same again, 2 exercises. Then for the tricep, this is 3 exercises back to back without rest or minimal rest. Then for the giant set, again, 4 exercises back to back, okay, without rest or minimal rest, again, same muscle group. Then Matix 21, again, one exercise. Okay. Then force repetition, then again, 1 exercise. Then for the negative, again, 1 exercise. Single set, multiple set, again, 1 exercise. But for the circuit, you need to do minimum of 5 exercises. Okay? Cool?
Cool.
Cool.
Kapush. Attachment. This attachment. This is the adjustment for the people per client. Simple, easy. This is for your power for you. Okay.
Lat
Then,
pull down.
Okay.
Seated
So
cable.
that is lat pull down machine, and this is the seated cable row machine. Okay. So again, for the attachment, it's up to you guys. You can use this attachment. You can use this attachment. A lot of attachment. Again, it's up to you. Okay. Where is the adjustment? No adjustment in this machine. Alright. The cross cable. Okay. We call it the cross cable because this is for your left and right, and this is the adjustment. Okay. If you want to bring it up and down, for which target matter you're going to use, different handle adjustment, different handle, again, it's up to you. Okay. So, flat, barbell, bench press, right? As we all know, where is the adjustment here? Only here. Based on the length of the hand of your client, right? This is the adjustment. Okay. Then, wait again. If your client is a little bit short or tall, okay. Then, we have the line.
Decline.
May tignan again, same for your checks, lower part of your checks.
So how to the difference with incline?
Okay, so for the decline, you're targeting the lower part of this lower part. This part. Okay. So this is to the center part.
Incline.
This is to the center part. Okay. Then this is to the upper clavicle. Here, this part. And this is for your lower part.
First, like your head is down, so the blood will not go down.
No. See, guys, if I'm training alone, for example, if I'm training alone, I need Pepe, it's hard for me to I need to right? So that's why if I'm because I'm training alone, so this is not the best for me. That's why I don't like this. Okay. So for me personally, again, each and everyone is unique, right? This machine you can use two. exercise. You can go for the chest fly or the velvet fly. This is the adjustment. If you want to target more to your chest, up, adjust it here. Adjust the foot placement. Okay. Adjust the weight from here. Now this is for my chest. Okay. But now, if I want to focus more on my, but for sure you give us this machine, right? This is a very common machine. A little bit higher. And this here. Okay. This is for your chest fly, and this is for your velvet fly. So hold it here. Push it forward. Then only. Most of the people they're doing like this.
Yeah.
Right? And why? Because we're targeting your velvet, not your traps. Okay, not your back. We're targeting only your velvet. So from here, okay, push it forward, then to your side,
Slowly.
until here. That's it. From here, I can feel my velvet, but I don't feel my back. If I move it forward, more, now we feel it more pronounced. Why challenging? Adjustment. Right? Adjustment for the leg, adjustment here, adjustment for the feet. Okay, so if you want to use this, it's up to you. However, you have to be sure that you're gonna be on your perfect angle. Okay, each and every one is unique, right? So my angle is different than yours. Why? Because of our frame. Okay, this is for incline. But if you're gonna ask me personally, are you using this machine in your
I don't have it. This is so complicated.
Yeah, I did. Because again, if there's a lot of adjustments, adjustment of the seat, adjustment.
A lot. Okay. So at least nandun yung
So
adjustment.
now, so here you can use the, good thing, Santi. For the decline, right? You feel a little bit easy, right?
Yeah.
You can use this for the decline as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now this is decline setting. Up. And as you can see, we have the center. So if you're gonna put it in the center, this is your flat one. And if you want to focus on the lower back, up, decline. But this is two adjustments. One adjustment and two adjustment for the and for the feet as well. But again, there's a lot of adjustments. It's up to you. Okay, but okay guys, Jamie, what's the difference between this handle and this handle?
Upper, lower chest.
It can be based on the sitting placement. However, if we're gonna hold this is more shoulder bend. Shoulder bend. Okay. So this is the adjustment for the seat. Okay. Then you see this. If this is too heavy, you're just gonna press this one. It will gonna automatically up. Hoop. Hoop. So you can grab it up. Because from here, example, this is heavy. See? It's hard for me. Right? But if I'm gonna do this, now it's easy. Okay, so again, adjustments depend on the height. So this is too high for me. Okay, so I need to adjust. Stop. Okay, then I'm gonna hold it for how many counts?
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then now I'm gonna ask JR to fight back or close the hands. Okay, now JR, fight back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Then I'm gonna stretch it again much farther. Relax.
Okay na.
You see that? So you think what is wrong? Okay, see? Okay, but now Mahi, keep your chest up. This is the proper way. Keep your chest up, Mahi. 45 degree, keep your chest up, steady, keep your chest up. Ears and shoulder have a space, put it down. Look at me. Mahi. There. Then put it down, control, and should be here. Then explode up, keep your chest up. That's it. Because we have back before, Mahi is doing this.
Kasama siya dito pag bumaba.
Okay?
Yalla. And 1, 2, 3 goes up, goes down, up, down, up, drop, rest.
Tell your core.
Magno.
7? 7? Got this. 7 up. 7. Okay, 6. Nice. 5.
cheating ka na.
5, 4, 3. Come on, let's go. 3. What's that? 2.
Parang gusto matulog.
Last one. Nice.
Miss Gretchen, Mahi, and Coach Jamie, and Miss Santi, and introduce yourself. Miss Beth, Coach Santi. Hello, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Coach Jack.
Hi, Coach John. Hi, Coach. Can you please introduce yourself?
You.
Coach, what is your name? You're crazy. And next is
Hi,
H Coach.
I'm Rushan. How are you guys?
And that's all. It's a break time, guys. Hi, Coach GR.